Hello, in front of me I've got Throne and Liberty. In this video I'll show you how to use skills. In the beginning, let's go to menu and go to skills. Right here we've got all skills for our character. Skills we can use depends on the weapon we equip. For example, currently I've got bow and great sword equipped, so my skills for my character are set for those weapons. Right here we've got skill tree for current weapon, here are active skills and here are passive skills. Here we've got the weapon mastery. In order to assign skill to quick slot, drag it and leave it on this slots from 1 to equal button. And that's basically it. In order to use skills, mark your enemy and press buttons from 1 to equal located right here. You can press it on your keyboard. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.